Welcome to Organic Cali family. Today I'm going to do a 5-minute leftover organic taco challenge. Just had so many ingredients left over that I just needed to get rid of. And so I was in a hurry and decided to put myself to a little test. As you can see, I just threw the carrots in there. Those are the most dense vegetable. Cutting up some broccoli stock. Don't forget that stuff. 5 ingredients here. Kale, chopping it up. Roasting the kale. I'm gonna chop up the tofu, throw it in with the kale. I got the heat on pretty high since we're on the clock. Throw that in there with the carrots. Ooh, jasmine rice, green jasmine rice. Already cooked. Add a little water to steam it. Bring it back to life real quick. Season it. Secret spices. Yum, 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 yum. Hurry. Tortilla. Stir. Steam, tortilla flip. Oh. Plating, hot sauce. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, right when I was pouring on the hot sauce. Ooh, made it just in the nick of time. Woo! All right, let's taste this thing. Turn this off. All right, timer. You can tell me I won. How much did you want? Whoa, music.